Kumustahon taga-puso ang ilang kasinatian sa lock-in taping sa I Can See You Alternate. Magkauban ta sa programa sa BizTalk, mga kapuso, Direk Ricky Davao o si Miss Jackie Lou Blanco. Mayong buntag, Direk Ricky and Miss Jackie Lou. Welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag! Good morning!
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Both of you look so fresh and happy this morning. What's your secret, Sir Ricky and Miss Jackie Lou?
Well, ang secret, siguro maayos na tulog, maayos na kain, regular workout, at siguro yung talagang maging positive lang and just be happy and just be grateful for what you have. At kahit na what you don't have, let's just be thankful. Siguro yun para sa akin.
Parang sinabi na lahat ni Jackie, all of the above.
All
Pero
of the above.
You have to be happy.
Yes.
Of course, easier said than done, but you know, it really works if you're happy with what you have.
Lalo na because of COVID, do you also miss traveling? What do you miss the most when visiting the regions?
Ako, I used to host for something, and we used to always travel every year, every May, and the shows were for kids. So nakakamiss lang that energy and just to be in a different place. Lalo na ang dami-daming magagandang lugar dito sa bansa natin.
Yes, nakakamiss talaga. Iba yung may audience rapport ka na right in front of you. What you say, they hear it, and you hear what they feel and how they react. And yun, those are magical moments na hindi nababayaran.
You were reunited, the TV series I Can See You Alternate. What was the first reaction that both of you had when you were informed that you'll be working together?
When I got the offer to do this, I was very excited because alam kong maganda yung material. Pero sabi ko sa mga anak ko, okay lang kaya sa dad mo na magkatrabaho kami? Kasi ang tagal na namin hindi nagkatrabaho. And then they said, no ma'am, he accepted it. Talaga? O, di sabi ko, okay, di mas maganda, di ba?
Well, yeah. Well, kami kasi naman, actors, usually, first, we really base everything sa material.
Yes.
And then, who's directing it? And then, sino mga makakasama mo? And nung binanggit lahat, nabasa ko yung script, tapos binanggit lahat ng actors, wow, sabi ko, perfect. Perfect casting. And nung narinig ko ang mga pangalan nilang lahat, sobra akong na-excite. So, grabe yung excitement. And I think, naman yun, makikita yon sa mga ginawa namin in front of the camera.
Yes.
So Ricky, Ma'am Jackie Lou, what do you think our viewers learned from the series?
Nobody is innately bad. Like in the case of Michael, yes, ang dami niyang nagawang hindi maganda. Pero people can always have a change of heart, and it's nice to give people a second chance. So siguro para sa akin, those are some of the things na maybe natutunan ng mga nanonood.
Well, ako sa character ko, maraming insights, marami ako natutunan na parang no man is an island. Even if you're a strong person, you cannot dictate lahat. Time will come that you have to give your power to somebody else deserving. Hindi mo pwedeng, you have to give chance to others. Maraming yung role ko as Mayor Lyndon David. Siguro, naging diktador kasi siya ng bayan at saka ng bahay. So, lahat dinidikta niya. Lahat kailangan yung gusto niya. Nakalimutan niya na may mga taong nakapaligid. May vice mayor na magaling, may anak na magaling, may asawang mahusay, may inlong, pero lahat, siya lang nag-iisip sa lahat. Yun, natutunan ko na, dapat no man is an island. You have to trust people around you. And pwedeng if you're really good, and then siguro, tama na mo yung knowledge mo.
Tama.
Yun. Tapos, importante rin yung hindi pwedeng lahat iron fist, lahat pinupukpok mo. You have to show them also amor. You have to show them love and respect. para ibabalik din nila sa iyo.
Tama.
Ang nangyari, lahat, puro galit, takot.
Oo.
Yun ang mali. So people, instead na makinig, ay, magre-rebelde.
Oo, totoo.
And Sir Ricky, Ma'am Jackie Lou, may we ask for your message of hope and please thank all our kapuso dito sa Central at Eastern Visayas who supported you since then.
Nako, sa inyong lahat dyan sa Central and Eastern Visayas, sana po suportahan ninyo kami, hindi lamang dito sa I Can See You Alternate, kung hindi sa mga susunod naming mga gagawin. So, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa pag-support ninyo sa amin dito sa GMA. And we promise you, we are doing lahat ng magagawa namin. Talagang grabe yung pinag-iisipan talaga every project na ginagawa namin just to make all of you happy. So, sana po suportahan ninyo and again, daghan salamat talaga sa inyong mga suporta. We know that, we feel that, and we see that sa mga reactions ninyo, sa mga surveys na lumalabas ngayon. Maraming salamat talaga sa kaming mga artista at director and yung mga production staff. Lahat talagang we're so happy na grabe ang pagtanggap ninyo sa amin. So, thank you talaga.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Direk Ricky Davao and Miss Jackie Lou Blanco. Thank you.
Daghang salamat din. God bless you.
Daghan salamat.